Okay, so before we start, let me introduce our guest speaker. Ito po, nandito po kasama natin today ang ating pinaka-juicy na si Miss Edina Tindoy ng Edina Spark. Ano yung name? Spark Creatives,
Pwede
tama?
ah.
Spark Creatives. Siya po ay isang social media marketer, magaling na social media strategist. Yun ang gusto kong itawag sa iyo, my friend. She's a social media strategist. Magaling na magaling po siya. Very creative, very bibo, at very juicy. And she's going to talk about social media marketing basics, how to get paid to post, to turn your social media habits into a career. So let's all welcome, bigyan po natin isang ma
Mas
ano,
gabong.
masigabong palakpakan, ang ating social media strategist and social media marketer, Miss Edina. Palakpak naman
Yes!
po.
Palakpakan everyone, clap
Yes.
for self. Thank you so much for having me. Actually guys, pinilit ko si Mia. Sabi ko, brinaso ko siya. Pag-webinarin mo naman ako dun sa community mo. Ayan, so here we are. So kahit na sobrang busy po tayong lahat, nandito tayo, di ba? So thank you so much for spending your Monday night with us. So let's
Ay,
get started. Ayan, so who is this webinar for? So syempre sa lahat po ng mga aspiring freelancers and social media enthusiasts, lahat din ng mga entrepreneurs and mga small business owners, welcome na welcome po kayo sa webinar natin. And any creatives or na freelancers na that are ready to build their personal brand. Ayan. And for sa iba naman, good evening. So who is this webinar not for? So syempre, this is not for those who are looking for quick money without effort. I know na very clickbaity yung nandun sa poster natin, get paid. But still, kailangan natin dito ng hard work. It's not going to be an overnight success. Okay? Hindi to without effort. And for those na unwilling to embrace ano ba yung mga social media platforms, this is not for you guys. Kasi you need to be comfortable with using social media. You need to be comfortable putting yourself out there. Yan. And hindi rin to para sa mga tao na gusto guaranteed results. Kapag ba nag-join ako ng webinar na to for the client na ako or marami na ako, 500,000 na ako per month. Eme! So, hindi po ito para sa inyo, okay? Kasi success in social media marketing really requires commitment and consistency. So, this is for people who are ready to apply what they learn. And the reason why nilagay ko yung get paid to post is really about tapping into the potential of social media as a real and sustainable career path. So, it's really about learning ano ba yung mga skills, ano ba yung mga content na can add value and can engage sa mga audience ninyo. Ganun po ang atake natin dito. Okay? So just a quick house rule. Mia pala, dire-diretso lang ako dito, Mia. So it's
yes, go.
okay if you're busy there. So, ang house rules natin, syempre, nilagay ko open your camera. Hindi nyo naman ito ma-open, pero wala naman tayo sa Zoom. But I want you guys to ask questions freely, to seek clarification. And if you can, please take down notes. And I want the chat to be active. I'm also monitoring yung chat dito sa Facebook and also sa TikTok.
TikTok.
Okay? Yan. And I want you to share your thoughts and really participate 100%. All right? Stay focused if you can and minimize distraction. And very most important is, of course, for you guys to have fun and enjoy the experience. Okay? So let me know in the chat. Are you guys ready? Ready na ba?
Ready na?
Um,
Say ready sa chat. Pakilagay po,
yes.
ready.
Ready sa chat.
Ready. Ang ating mga
Patingin.
viewers. Say
Hello sa ating
ready.
mga viewers. Hello, hello. Let me see in the chat. Ready na ba para magsimula na
Ayan, may
tayo
mga
for today's
ready na
video?
dito sa aking chat
Okay.
sa TikTok. Yes, Facebook, we
Perfect.
are ready.
Perfect. So, hello everyone. So, I would like to briefly introduce myself. Again, my name is Adina and I was a call center agent for 10 years before po ako nag full-time freelance and almost magpa 5 years na rin na freelancer. So, katulad ng sinabi kanina ni Nia na I am a social media marketer and strategist, but I didn't start this way. I just took whatever VA role was ready for me, which was Reva, naging real estate virtual assistant ako for 8 months before I said na, oh my gosh, this is not for me. Magkakaibay po tayo ng mga forte and yung mga admin stuff, it doesn't sit well with me. Hindi ko po kaya. So I then realized na, oh my gosh, para pala ako sa mga arte-arte, ganyan. That is why I was able to create my own digital marketing agency, which I call now Spark Creative Solutions. And yeah, so ngayon, I am now teaching marketing, and also, syempre, nagpo-provide rin ako ng marketing sa mga clients ko. So, let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you a skill that is really crucial for survival in today's fast-paced world. Okay? Ito yung skill na to na probably hindi tinuro sa inyo ng bata kayo. It's a bold statement, right? Pero I want you to picture this, lalo na ngayon na bare months na, 'di ba? So it's the holidays, magre-reunion, magkakaroon ng family reunion. And merong tita na magtatanong sa inyo, so, ano nga ineng ang ginagawa mo? What is it that you do? 'Di ba, alam mo naman sa mga family reunion, meron tayong mga tita na ganyan, 'di ba? So I would always say na, "Tita, you know what? I do my best." Okay? Kasi ang hirap i-explain minsan pa iba-iba kasi guys, if you have noticed, hindi niyo naman kasi ako kilala pa previously, pero ang dami kong pong pinasok, nag-online selling, nag-call center, ang dami kong pinagagagawa. Okay, dumating din ako sa era na naging interior decorator ako, ang dami kong pinagagagawa. So every time na may nagtatanong sa akin, I just do my best, tita. Kasi ang hirap i-explain. Minsan, kay self, hindi ko na rin ma-explain. But, the reason why I mentioned this is that I just say na I do my best because I learned na I need to reframe pala what it means to do my best. Kasi as I was scrolling through TikTok, doon ko nalaman na doing your best is not about your peak performances o yung pinaka personal records mo. It's actually about not stopping kahit na hirap ka na. 'Di ba? It's about you going forward, tuloy-tuloy lang. Doing your best means you do not stop moving. Okay? So for those of you guys na feeling nyo you're not doing your best, but the fact that you are not quitting or hindi pa kayo gumigive up sa life, at kahit na you're dragging yourself to work, that you're still doing your best. Okay? You're still doing your very best. As long as you don't stop, you don't give up, that's it. Okay? And I know na ang hirap parang i-explain 'to sa mga pamilya natin, but as long as you know deep down, okay? And I wanted to always, say this to myself na it's not always easy to adapt change, 'di ba? Kasi nga ang dami nating pinagdadaan, ang dami nating puwedeng gawin, feeling natin lahat kaya natin, but at the same time, wala yung energy natin do'n, okay? So I know that it's not easy to adapt change because I used to resist change. Kaya nga 'di ba, I was in call center for 10 years. And before I decided to become a full-time freelancer, 7 years po ako do'n sa company ko. Okay? That is how much ayoko ng change. I always want to be in my comfort zone, but I try naman mga different businesses, but yung pinaka-solid na source ko, kailangan isa lang, kailangan nandun lang, kailangan secured yun. Kasi syempre as a breadwinner, kailangan secured yung mga kaperahan natin, di ba? But just to let you know, guys, talagang I clung to a toxic relationship like a lifeline. Para lang alam ninyo kung paano ako, para makasabihin nyo, naku, sinasabi mo lang yan, pero malakas ang loob mo, ganyan-ganyan. No. Okay? Ang lagi sabi ng mga friends ko is that I had a high tolerance for pain. Parang tanga, di ba? So imagine, it's not because na I was getting a tattoo. Di ba sinasabi nila yung kapag magpapatattoo ka, "Uy, mataas ba yung tolerance mo sa pain?" Na kaya nila sinasabi yun sa akin. It was because I stayed in a relationship where I don't get anything but hurt. O, di ba? Umaarte tayo sa Monday night, di ba? And they weren't wrong, okay? I lived for the pain. At eto pa, I was broke to the 10th power. Okay? Ayan, so when ka nag-switch from BPO? Ay, si Tish, nag-switch ako from BPO nung pandemic, 2020. O, di ba? Isn't that amazing? Ayan. So, it's not as if I was a sugar baby. Oh, di ba? Sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm just in without getting anything in return. Nakakaloka, di ba? So, I woke up after 7, 8 years. Ayoko na sabihin yung buong years ng relationship na. I woke up one day and realized na why do I keep suffering for nothing? Kumbaga, it was really a wake-up call that I needed. And thank God, kasi when the pandemic hit, I made a lot of changes. First, binook off ko na iniwan ko na yung toxic relationship, and then I resigned from that 7-year call center job, and I really dived into freelancing. So, ang daming nangyari. But the lesson here is that I told myself na it's really to adapt or get left behind. Kasi 'di ba, I saw the shift and the world was really changing. Napansin niyo ba 'yon, guys? Any one of you guys napansin yun during pandemic na yung mga tao lahat tayo 'di ba, we were stuck inside. Hindi tayo nagkaroon ng choice for us to reach out to anyone kasi we really were on lockdown. So we needed to adjust, we needed to adapt. And then doon na natin nakita na there were so many demand for digital solutions. Correct? 'Di ba?
Yes.
And doon ko na nakita na, oh my gosh, yes, marami ngang mga VAs ngayon na nag-offer ng services nila, but then ang dami pa rin mga businesses that are looking for digital solutions. All right? And that is where I learned na kailangan we also need to have adaptability quotient. Okay? So this is a high tolerance of pain, but this is a skill na you can learn. Okay? So for the next, let's say, 45 minutes or so, I will be going through a list. So this is a list. Ito yung agenda that we will be discussing. First is we will be reframing some limiting beliefs about content. Kasi I used to also be someone na hindi rin ako nagpapakita sa camera. If you have visited yung YouTube channel ko before, puro voiceovers lang yung ginagawa ko kasi nahihiya rin ako magpakita. So, and the next one is get to the facts. Dito magbibigay ako ng mga statistics about freelance and yung creator economy. And then, I will be teaching you guys how to create a new belief para ma-embrace niyo yung cringe. Sino sa inyo yung nag-cringe kapag, oh my gosh, gagawa ko ng content? O kaya pag sinabing TikTok, ako magda-dance-dance. Hindi naman, no? May edu creator po tayo sa TikTok. And I will also be teaching you guys how to stand out in the social media crowd. Okay? So that only means that every one of you here watching live, you are at the right place at the right time with the right people. This is something that I always say that I learned from Kimi Lu, ang life coach. So nakakatuwa lang kasi I know na na-reschedule na to, di ba? And then you still joined here right now sa live natin. So I really appreciate each and every one of you for being with us today. Ayan. So, let me ask you, dito sa chat, what is the most important skill that you should learn right now? Sige nga,
Comment
let me
guys,
see.
comment. Medyo delayed lang ang mga comments natin kasi
Ah,
delayed din yung pasok. Ano
go
ulit yung
lang.
question? What is the nasa screen
Most
pala?
important skill.
Skill
Yes.
you should learn right now. Ayan. Paki-comment. Marami tayong mga
Ninyo ba?
viewers. Si Vinci sabi niya, confidence.
Confidence. Yes. Sige, ano
EVA,
pa?
SMM marketing or social media marketing. Yan. Creativity. Meron tayo from Facebook creativity.
Ano
Kala
pa?
ko po 8 magsa-start, buti nakita. Yes, napaaga tayo.
Paaga
Negotiation
tayo.
skills, sabi ni Coco Marvin. Communication, social media marketing.
Ayan,
Ayan,
ang
marketing
dami.
strategy. O, di ba?
Perfect.
Resourceful.
To
Yan.
be resourceful. Thank you so much, chat. You are very engaged. Research. Ayan. So, pakinggan natin tong video.
Gives you the highest chance of success in a career. Number one would have been engineering, number two engineering, number three engineering. I've changed my mind in the last 2 years. Since the pandemic hit, the number one demand I have for my companies are people that can take the concept of the business and tell a story about it. Produce a video, do really rich photography, build out 59-second, 39-second, 29-second videos to plaster all over social media to sell product direct to customer. If you're a graduate from the arts, or you're a writer, or you're a photographer, or an editor, or videographer, all of a sudden, I'm paying you $150,000. And I would have thought I could have hired you for nothing because you were starving.
Okay. So, ang bilis niya magsalita, but let me summarize it for those na nasa TikTok. So, si Kevin is from Shark Tank. Familiar kayo sa Shark Tank? So, milyonaryo siya. So, ang dami niya mga businesses. So, ang sinabi niya sa video is, if you asked him daw a few years back, ang lagi niya sinasabi na best career or best skill is basta nasa engineering industry ka. Wala na siyang pake kung yung iba't iba pang mga skills. Pero ngayon, since the pandemic hit, ang sabi niya, is if you are someone that can edit, you can post, you can make his business known sa online space, then suddenly, I'm paying you the $150,000. Okay? So imagine, nakita niya yung shift for someone na sobrang diehard na kailangan engineering ka lang, kailangan ganito ka lang. Nag-switch siya Okay, na ngayon ang dami niya na daw ng mga hina-hire. So tama kayo sa mga nagsasabi na kailangan maging resourceful kayo, maging content creator, marketing to adapt to new trends, sabi ni Rhea. Yes, lahat po yan. Okay? So this is what I've been telling you kanina na adaptability quotient. Kasi if you haven't noticed, guys, AI is all over the place. So we need to be able to adapt. Otherwise, hindi tayo makakasabay and nakakatakot na mapag-iwanan. Correct? So, first module is going to be about reframing your limiting beliefs. So, there are